Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rumaisa binti Hamizat from class 3 Mawardi. My metric number is PP201089 and I'm going to explain about blood circulatory. So first let me explain step by step of the transporting oxygen through our heart. So first thing first, the oxygenated blood from our whole body except lung, which capillaries of head and forelimbs and capillaries of abdominal organs and hind limbs will transport the oxygenated blood through the anterior vena cava and posterior vena cava through the right atrium. And then the right atrium we squeezes and pump the oxygenated blood using tricuspid valve to your right ventricle. And then the oxygenated blood in your right ventricle will squeezes and pump to the pulmonary vein, which is using semilunar valve. And the oxygenated blood will transport to the capillaries of your right and also your left lung. And that's when we receive oxygenated blood. Now we're moving to the transportation of deoxygenated blood. So the oxygenated blood from your capillaries of our right and left lung will transport the deoxygenated blood back to your heart, which is a left atrium. The left atrium will squeeze and pump to the left ventricle, which is using bicuspid valve, and the bicuspid valve will close so the deoxygenated blood won't go back to the right atrium, to the left atrium. The left ventricle will squeeze and pump to the aorta using the semilunar valve. Then the oxygenated blood from the left atrium will go to the capillaries of head and forelimbs and also the capillaries of abdominal organs and hind limbs through aorta. The two upper heart chambers is called the atrium. It is the left atrium and also the right atrium. For the two lower heart chambers in our heart is called ventricles. We have left ventricle and also right ventricle. So now we're going to talk about the effects of tar and also the nicotine to our blood circulatory system. The nicotine causes your blood vessels to constrict or also narrow, which limits the amount of blood that flows to your organ. The tar will affect and damages to the lungs, and it may lead to lung cancer, emphysema, and other lung problems. Well, that's all for our science video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.